Hey, this is Alex from Cephable, and in this guide, I'm going to show you how to edit control profiles. If you watch the original tutorial that shows how to use your first set of controls, we had this profile called My First Controls Click, which if we go in to view it, has just a single control where we can have a voice command for saying click, or we could open our mouth with the camera to also do a left click. But we would want to be able to add other types of inputs too, not just clicking. So we can go ahead and click add control here and then choose what we want to do as the different inputs. We could start with a voice control, a head movement, face expression, motion control, virtual buttons, or something else. Let's say, for example, we want to hit the enter key whenever we say enter. So I'm going to select voice control and then go ahead and type enter and then hit next. And now we have the option to choose what we want our computer to do. Do we want to press a key or button? Do we want to release them, toggle them? Do we want to type something out, move the mouse, move a controller, speak, do multiple things, or stop all outputs? Well, because we just want to press the enter key, we can go ahead and say that we want to press one or more keys or buttons. And so now we can select from this drop down what key or button we want to press. You can scroll through this list and see we have things like clicking, like we used in the original control that we have set up, all the different numbers, letters, special symbols, other keys, and then also controller buttons down here as well. So we're going to go ahead and select the enter key. If we want to have more than one key to press, we can choose to add those here. If we want to hold down the enter key, we can select that. But in this case, let's just go ahead and select tapping, and then we can click finish. And now we'll see that we have two controls here. We have enter and we have click. I can also go into this, say enter now, and add another control here with this add another control. And I can now see those options again, like head movements, face expressions, motion controls, etc. Let's say that I want to add tilting my head forward like this so that I can hit the enter key. We can select that from the drop down there. And now we can either say enter or tilt our head forward. But we can also do things like add alternative voice controls or add buttons that we could tap from the companion app too. We can go ahead and click finish editing. And now we see that we have these three options to tap enter, and we still have our click down here. If we want to customize that, that's great too. Now we just have to click save and finish or save in the top right. Clicking save and finish will take us back to the dashboard. And now I can start my microphone or start my camera and do things like tilting my head forward or saying enter to see that work as well. You can do a lot with control profiles. You can add as many different inputs and outputs as you want. You can also explore pre-built profiles or use our AI to generate them too. Be sure to check out all different use cases that you might want to explore and give them a try. Be sure to join our Discord community and our Facebook group to share your ideas or ask questions too. Thanks for watching.